Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen. If y'all watched our channel before, you know we have been down for 3 weeks, so I haven't shown you anything in a while. Today, I'm going to show you a really simple, stupid, easy 3-ingredient dinner. So let's get started. In the defense of it being 3 ingredients, you don't have to have the butter. If you're out of butter, it's not the end of the world. It just makes it crispier and gives it that buttery flavor. You're gonna need some cornflakes, some original ranch salad dressing mix, some chicken, and half a stick of butter. Okay, as far as the ranch dressing goes, this one is mine. This one I made myself from scratch. And Randy can leave a link for this one up there in La La Land somewhere. Wherever it is, he puts those little cards and you can see how I make it. But you can absolutely just use the original Valley Ranch packet and then follow the directions on the packet. Make your salad dressing and then we're going to pour it into one of these bowls for dipping our chicken in. Okay, I put a couple of cups of cornflakes in a Ziploc bag. Got my handy dandy roller. And then we're just gonna mash it. And you don't have to get super, super, super tiny. You just want it to where when you dip it in the ranch and then dip it into the cornflakes that it'll stick. That's all you want. And that's about as good as I'm gonna do. Right there. And that's what we're gonna look like when we're done. Just nice little crumbles. Okay, now we're gonna cut these monster chicken breasts that didn't come from real chickens, okay? I'm not sure what this is, but I have never got a chicken breast that big off of one of my chickens. And my chickens get to be like 9 pounds, okay? So this might be mystery meat, but they called it chicken and we're gonna use it. Okay, we're gonna cut this one in half because that's just Amazon size. So we're gonna go right straight or as close to the middle of that one as I can get. This one's not too thick, so I'm just gonna slice it long ways and make long tenders. So that's all we're gonna do. I'm just gonna cut this into nice little tenders. You cut them as big or as small as you like. Yep, now I'm just gonna cut that roughly in half, just like that. And some of these, I'm gonna go ahead and cut those in half too. In fact, I'm gonna cut them all. Let's just do it. Go for it. All right, there we are. All right, we're gonna move this chicken over here out of the way. I'm gonna set my bowls right here. I'm gonna take that cornflakes. Drop them right in that bowl. Now I'm gonna put about half of that salad dressing in there. Because if I don't use it, I don't want to lose it. And if I put that chicken in it, I'm definitely throwing it away. So, now we're just gonna lay that chicken in there. Get it nice and wet. Oh, and I have a lined tray. And we're gonna put those, as we put them, into the tray. We're just gonna get them nice and sloppy and then lay them in the cornflakes, just like that. Okay. Once I get enough in there like that, then I'm just gonna take them, flip them just like that, get all that cornflake stuck on there. See how easy this is? And kids absolutely love this. This is better than a chicken nugget. They are so, so good. And just to be sure that they are all covered up really good, I always try to cover up the little spots on there that need just a few drops. Now we're going to melt that butter and drizzle it, and it's ready to go in the oven. All right, let's get that half a stick of butter melted real quick. Now, not on high. Let's drop it all the way down to low. I don't want to burn my butter. I just want to melt it. And I just need a half a stick. I'm just going to drop that in there and let that just slowly melt down. Okay, now that my butter's melted, we're just going to kind of just drizzle it around. It's only a half a cup, so don't get all crazy. Half a stick, not a half a cup, sorry. There we are. Now we just need to put it in a preheated 350-degree oven, and you'll have to watch it. Generally, it takes between 25 and 30 minutes. You just want to make sure that the chicken is done. Right, I've dinged now. I set the timer for 30 minutes. And look at that. And there you have it. Taste test time.
Oh boy, she likes calling out that taste test time.
Yes, I do.
Taste test time. I'm excited about eating some of these guys. I might even break out some hot sauce.
Maybe.
You know, because, you know, like when I eat chicken wings, I like to dip, well, chicken wings, I like the blue cheese, but we have that ranch, and that ranch dressing that she has, I'll have to vouch for it. It is pretty off the chain.
Right.
You know, and I put a card up earlier. Maybe I'll tag it on the end of the video. But you just take these, and it's already nice, crispy, baked, ranch. Might have to get some hot sauce for this one. I don't know yet. But we're going to go ahead and give it. That looks like shrimp, don't it?
Yeah, almost.
Yeah.
Nice, crispy, crunchy.
Oh, yeah. Time to break out some hot sauce.
Yeah. Absolutely. Your grandkids or your kids will absolutely love these. They are way, way, way better than chicken nuggets.
You got Skeeter out of here.
Yeah, I got mosquitoes.
Got some baked beans on the side.
Yep.
We think you can handle that though, right? All right, y'all have a good night.
See you in the next one. Like, subscribe, and share. We'll be seeing ya.